How to check temperature of iPhone. To get started, first of all, open up the App Store on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the search bar and type in battery and charging to search for it. From the results, tap on this battery and charger test app. Over here, tap on install, and if it's already installed, tap on open. Once the app opens, connect your charger and tap on OK on the bottom. As you can see, it'll show you different information and details about your phone. You can also see temp, which in my case is 26 degrees Celsius. Using this, you can check the live temperature of your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily check the temperature of your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.